Pile. A mass of things heaped together, a heap. Figurative, informal, a group or list of related items up for consideration, especially in some kind of selection process. A mass formed in layers. A funeral pile, a pyre. Slang, a large amount of money. A large building, or mass of buildings. A bundle of pieces of wrought iron to be worked over into bars or other shapes by rolling or hammering at a welding heat, a faggot. A vertical series of alternate discs of two dissimilar metals, especially copper and zinc, laid up with discs of cloth or paper moistened with acid water between them, for producing a current of electricity, a voltaic pile, or galvanic pile. An atomic pile, an early form of nuclear reactor. Obsolete, the reverse, or tails, of a coin. Figurative, a list or league. Transitive, often used with the preposition up, to lay or throw into a pile or heap, to heap up, to collect into a mass, to accumulate. Transitive, to cover with heaps, or in great abundance, to fill or overfill, to load. Transitive, to add something to a great number. Transitive, of vehicles, to create a hold-up. Transitive, military, to place guns, muskets, etc., together in threes so that they can stand upright, supporting each other. Obsolete, a dart, an arrow. The head of an arrow or spear. A large stake, or piece of pointed timber, steel etc., driven into the earth or seabed for the support of a building, a pier, or other superstructure, or to form a cofferdam, etc. Heraldry, one of the ordinaries or subordinaries having the form of a wedge, usually placed palewise, with the broadest end uppermost. Transitive, to drive piles into, to fill with piles, to strengthen with piles. Usually in the plural, a hemorrhoid. Hair, especially when very fine or short, the fine underfur of certain animals. Formerly countable, now treated as a collective singular. The raised hairs, loops or strands of a fabric, the nap of a cloth. Transitive, to give a pile to make shaggy. P I L E. Pile.